Hey guys, Iamshakti, and this is my review of my Cernucci chain. So the chain that I bought is the lightning bolt, and actually I never bought it, I got it as a gift for my birthday. And yeah, it's the iced lightning bolt pendant in gold, as you can see right there, if it wants to focus. So far I've loved the chain. I've had it since my birthday, which was the 1st of December. Today is the 5th, so I've had it 4 days now. Cernucci actually have a pretty cool system. So it's 18 karat gold plated, this one in gold. Then there's handset cubic zirconias. If I do that, you should be able to see it. Handset cubic zirconium. I think it's an awesome chain. It's apparently plated 5 times. Cernucci's description of the chain, or of the pendant. Cernucci's Ice Lightning Bolt pendant is the first of its kind. Flooded in both clear and purple stones, the multi-layered piece allows you to see it shine from all angles with a reflecting 3D effect. Pull up on them looking fresh. And honestly, on my birthday, I pull up on them looking fresh. My favorite part about the chain though is most of these chains in this value, they'll be iced from the front and nothing on the side, whereas these are iced even on the side, and then you have a little C-samp at the back to show that you've got it from Cernucci. Even this rope chain is actually really decent. It's got a nice shine to it. It has a very authentic look and feel to it. So far the plating seems good. The only thing that my plate had that looks a bit off is that section there. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little dead spot which wasn't plated properly. Don't know if you can see that. But other than that, that's the part that no one can actually see. No one can see that. But I've loved the chain, genuinely. I think it's a fantastic chain, and it's got everything that I wanted from it. I wore it on my birthday. I felt good. Pretty much every day I've been wearing it. Today's the only day I haven't put it on. I probably will. After this video, once I finish shooting this video, I will probably wear the chain. And I would actually recommend it. I would recommend Cernucci too. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think it's Cernucci. I'm not sure how much it weighs. I didn't weigh it. I don't have scales like that. And actually the stones in it, but you can see like the shine on it is really crazy. I didn't expect all of these stones to glisten the way that they do. They glisten really, really, really well. And I believe you can actually wear this, even though it's purple, you can wear it with practically anything. So for example, I mean, it's good that I got a black top on. It stands out, and the piece itself isn't that large. It looks good. It makes me feel good. It makes me look good. I think it's worth it. It's on sale right now for £30 from 60. And yeah, I'll put their website down below, and I'll put their Instagram down below. So yeah, give them a follow, have a look at their website, maybe buy it yourself. I think it's actually a pretty awesome chain. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I've been your boy, Shakti.